It's four-wheel drive season. We are stocking up on these unbelievable Defender 110s. Another exceptional car. This is a 2021 71 registration. It was registered in September. It's covered 2,000 miles. It's a 3-litre D200S in Hakuba silver. Now the car's got a full Land Rover factory black styling package. It's also got opening panoramic tilt and sliding sunroof. That's an optional extra. It's got the steps as an extra, keyless entry as an extra, and a detachable tow bar. So as far as a car goes, it's an unbelievable car which looks superb. £76,990. The car is only 2 months old, so as you can expect, its condition is exceptional. It's pristine inside and out. And as we all know now, these Defenders are so in demand, especially the 110. And the car is the ultimate off-road vehicle, as well as being an exceptional vehicle that turns heads on the road. So this particular car, Hakuba silver is the paint colour. When you get a factory black styling package, that means it's got this finisher across the bonnet in black, badges. This one's got the 110 bonnet decal and the bonnet inserts. Light surrounds are all in gloss black also. But when you get a silver car, the bottom sections all tie in, so it has that exceptional, I've used that word a lot, haven't I? Exceptional look to the car, front and back. Other features, fixed side steps, 19-inch gloss black wheels, gloss black roof, and roof rails. You notice with the roof rails, we also have the sunroof poking out there. That is the panoramic tilt and sliding roof, which I've talked about. Privacy glass as another extra. Little button on the door handle here for keyless entry. And then round the back, fixed spare wheel cover, also finished in silver, just to tie in with that lovely theme around the car. Again, I've mentioned this bottom section, finished in silver, which just matches. And we've got the removable tow bar. Fabulous thing, because lots of people who have a car like this will want to pull a caravan or a trailer or anything else. Air suspension in the 110 is standard, switchable from the back, the lovely square LED lights, and a soft close rear door because it's got that wheel on the back, so the door is a little bit heavier to the back. Inside, now, this is brilliant for me. The inside is called Acorn. It's full leather, but the contrast against the silver is exceptional. I'm going to use the word again because it really is. Usually we'll get a black interior in a Defender that is silver. I think this ivory or Acorn full leather just looks well. It works very, very well. Keyless entry, the Acorn leather or the sections across the dashboard also breaking up that dash. My own personal Defender has got this colour inside and I really like it. I think it looks really, really nice and classy. 3D surround view camera system, heated seats, climate control. This car is brand new inside and out. Will come with balance of manufacturer's warranty. So that means breakdown assistance and warranty Europe-wide with Land Rover until September 2024. So peace of mind, doesn't get much better. Into the car, the steps will help me get in because it's a high vehicle to jump in and out of, but it has got a very, very good driving position, elevated up off the ground. And if you're used to a four-wheel drive, like a Range Rover or the equivalent, this again feels a little bit higher and it's a very nice position to drive a vehicle in. Brand new inside, cruise control and lane departure on the steering wheel on the right hand side, and then your Bluetooth and voice controls on the left hand side. The big features on these Defenders is the camera system, reversing camera, which is an on-road, off-road, and a towing camera, important when you've got a tow bike. You see the guideline there. Going back at the on-road camera, we've got the incredible 3D surround view camera, which is always super impressive. Check that out, it's brilliant. Then the second thing on this car, the sunroof, tilt and sliding panoramic glass roof with powered blind for your convenience, just to shut that off if you need to. Sunglasses holder up here. If you come back inside, Carolina, and have a look at the center console, we've got obviously climate control, all digital, heated front and rear and side windows. The air suspension settings are next to the gear stick. You might not be able to see that, but we've got digital climate control with heated front seats. 2 keys for the car, cubby hole under the armrest. We've even got the presentation box from Land Rover. Everything's in place there. 76,990 with only 2,000 miles on. It's a fabulous car in brand new condition. Great colour combination, tow bar, sunroof, black pack. doesn't come much better than a Defender for a 4-wheel drive. My name's Richard, call me on my number on the screen, I'd love to speak to you. Thanks for watching.